I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use files from GitHub. Begin by finding the repository and deciding whether to fork, clone, or download the file. Next, inspect README and folder structure to locate the exact file you need. Use clone for ongoing work and download for quick access. Finally, open the file in your editor, run any setup commands listed, and test changes in a branch before merging back. To work locally, use git clone with the repo URL, which gives you full history and branching. If you only need one file, download it from the web interface to save time. Remember to switch to the correct branch with git switch or git checkout before making edits. If the project uses submodules or dependencies, follow the setup steps in the README so the file runs as intended on your machine. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart cleaning that frees up time for coding and reviewing files. It pairs nicely with a focused workflow because you get fewer interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When editing a GitHub file, create a branch so your work stays isolated from main. Make small, focused commits and run linters and tests locally to catch problems early. Push your branch and open a pull request with a clear description referencing related issues, if any. Be polite in your comments, respond to review feedback, and squash or tidy commits when asked to keep history clean for maintainers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.